Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to stay a while by clicking that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you don't miss another video. Today's video is going to be a DIY, so let's get right into it. Okay, I have literally been obsessed with these rose boxes that I see all over Instagram. I decided to make my own today. Here is some of my supplies. So I'm using 4 pieces of mirror from Mirrored Frames that they sell at the Dollar Tree. I removed the mirrors from their frames, and I'm also going to be using these little brackets that come with window blinds that I had a ton extra from having moved 500,000 times in my life. And so I wanted to use them as L brackets to secure the mirrors because I'm not really using the frames, and so it's going to be really hard to have a really nice seamless edge. I didn't want to use tape, I wanted it to be more sturdy. So I am using hot glue for this. As usual, I recommend using E6000 in combination with the hot glue to get a permanent hold. So I added hot glue all along the edge of the mirror as well as on the brackets. So I just finished assembling the box by working my way inside of the box and adding the hot glue and the brackets on the edges there. And once my box was constructed, I cut out a piece of foam board to add on the inside of the box as a base. I just made sure that it was even because I'm going to add some crystal knobs at the bottoms to serve as legs. So I secured it in place by adding hot glue all along the edge on the inside of the box as well as on the outside at the bottom. Then I added my floral foam. I just had a bunch of spare floral foam all over the house, and I played around with the flowers that I got at the Dollar Tree. These roses come in a pack of 3, and they were the nicest roses that they had at the Dollar Tree. So I got 9 packs, and it turns out I think I only needed 8 for this size box. So I had some pieces already pre-cut to determine how far down I wanted the roses to go. I kept playing around with it, cutting a little bit at a time until I had the desired height. Once I had the height, I just put it in and made sure I was happy with it and started securing the floral foam in place. Initially, I couldn't find the extra pieces of floral foam, so I only had 4, but I did eventually add floral foam at the entire bottom of the box. So I played with the flowers a little bit. Some of the petals were a little bit scrunched up, and so to get that nice luxurious look, you have to play around with the petals and make sure they're not wrinkled and look all bunched up like this. So after I've assembled all the roses, as you can see, I kind of had too many. I did end up removing several of them just to give it a nice, beautiful stacked look. And the next step was to clean out the mirror so that I could add my detail to it. I couldn't decide which one of the ribbons. Eventually, I ended up settling for the crushed rhinestone because, as you all know, it is my favorite. And I secured that with hot glue. Then I added the legs at the bottom, which are the crystal knobs, which I will link everything down below for you guys. And then you will see in my final shot that I also added a totally dazzled rhinestone brooch just to give it a little bit more sparkle. And here is the final look. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. It looks so beautiful on a coffee table, an entryway table, and it just adds so much glam to a space. This is the Totally Dazzled brooch, which I will link below for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm so glad I am back. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. God bless and bye-bye.